Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so in verse, you just go down, click in this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above settings, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to delete all my data from this device here. You just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then here you just here add reason here or add yes. Add here tap yes and you click on delete and it's going to delete with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.